Yeah, I've run out of ideas and fixes for the hesitation on the blue F-150 here. That the only thing that I really know to try next is the throttle position sensor. I've checked it. It's supposed to check good, but I can unplug it and it defaults onto something else and the hesitation goes away. Alright, so I think what I have is the right one. As soon as I figure out where I put it. In comparison, they are about the same. This one was supposed to have been, I ordered it from Amazon, and it's supposed to have been a Standard Motor Products throttle position sensor, and it came as a genuine Ford, which tells me that either Standard Motor Products or made by Ford, or, you know, or they are, let's see, remember how this goes on. I think it goes that way. Yeah, that's right. Okay. And also, you know, make a note of that, that this has no adjustment on it. So it just goes on. See, I'm pretty sure that's right. Okay. Yeah, because I can hook it this way, and that is incorrect. Okay. And I'm sorry, once again, I have all these snow videos that I'm behind on. I've had so much going on. I've had Carl Casper, his custom auto show that I went to for the Derby City Camaro Club. That, and I've been sick, and you can still hear that my voice is not normal. So I have a lot, or I've had a lot going on anyway. And hopefully, I'm finally getting through all this. I hope. And it's starting to get dark. But anyway, TGIF, that I should say. I had to remove the throttle body because these screws were just way too hard to get out as they were. And now the easy part, I guess it's what it is putting this all back together. Oh, there we go. It's quite annoying. But yeah, it's been a busy week. And I'm just now getting caught up. Well, I guess on a lighter note though, is work has went back to usual. Because of all the snow that we had, we were practically shut down last week. And I haven't drove Red F-150 a whole lot this week. I drove the Flex quite a bit. I guess heated seats are getting me spoiled. I keep promising I'm going to do a full review, but I haven't had a chance to do that either. Wow. So hopefully, when the temperature breaks back up into normal anyway, that I can get back into the swing of things and start doing this stuff again. And I'm just racing against daylight now because I don't have to dig out my lights. It's probably 15 degrees. My hands are frozen. So anyone who has a hesitation, you know, with these 4.9s and the repairs that I've made in the past, cleaning the throttle body, replacing the throttle body gasket, if that hasn't been a success, you might want to try a throttle position sensor. I don't know that that's going to be the fix in this. It's just that I've run out of ideas and run out of other repair suggestions. Oh, this plastic piece is annoying. What's even more annoying is trying to find that bolt that goes in the bottom of it. Which is an 8mm. It originally didn't have one. It just had like a little snap that went in and it kept coming undone, so I put a speed nut and a bolt in it. Which is beginning to anger me. That's already fell out. And I also read on Yahoo News, of course it's on national news and everything, that Leonard Nimoy had passed away. That's a great loss for the entertainment industry. He had done many things. He was a poet. He wrote biography, wrote stories. He also had a few albums out, if people can remember. Well, I'm almost done. We are almost there. Winter is almost over with. I'm ready for spring. I'm just ready to be able to get the Flex out and wash it and wax it. Connect that. Connect that. All our electrical connections are made. Connect that. Connect our vacuum lines. Our vacuum lines are connected. I know I apologize to everyone. I know I sound horrible. I went to the bank after work and they was like, hey, you don't sound very good at all. I know, I wish I could get my voice back. Tighten the hoses up, my fresh air intake hoses. start doing this with one hand. There we go. That part is done. Now I just hook my PVC line, PCV line, or breather line, or many call it. It's actually the breather filter hose. And this goes down in here. You can't see that, but it does. All right, it's all hooked up. It's now ready to try it. All right, put the key in the ignition, and let's start it up and see what happens. Contact. Well, it always done that. As soon as it idles down, I'll snap the throttle and see how it reacts. Okay. And the hesitation is not here. Still has the rough idle, but it's not as rough as it was. Well, I am going to conclude that the problem is fixed. And there's even another problem that it had that it even took care of. It was shifting kind of late, but that seems to have cured that problem also. So I think the throttle position sensor was the problem all along. But like I said, I had swiped it with a multimeter and it showed good. I should have lab scoped it, but I didn't. Okay, so I am at a dead stop, and I'm going to apply the gas, and it should hesitate. There is no hesitation to it at all. Just a little bit, but it's not as bad as it was. This is manageable. My sister had been using it. Well, she's using it. And she had complained about it, and I said, I think it needs a throttle position sensor. I said, I just haven't had a chance to put one on it. So, and that was the problem all along. So I get up here, I'm gonna make a big U-E. Always use turn signals. Yeah, like that makes a difference. Well, there's snow in the road, so I can't do that. So I'll just have to do a turnabout. There we go. It hesitates. Yeah, it got a little bit of a hesitation to it when you put it in reverse for some reason. I don't know why it wanted to do that, but not in forward. Oh well. Okay, so I think that I have fixed the problem. So if any of you have a throttle position or have a 4.9 fuel injected Ford that has a hesitation to it, try a throttle position sensor. This was the last resort on this. I'd done everything else. So hopefully this cures your problem too. Hopefully my voice comes back before long. I sound horrible, I know I do. And once again, I apologize for that. Well, anyway, I am done for the day, so I thank you all for watching.